Hey everyone, Ashley from Career in STEM here. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use the showcase, as well as, and most importantly, how to use this showcase to build your resume. So you can think of this showcase area as a virtual bulletin board, a place to showcase all the amazing things that you're learning, making, solving, and doing. To get here, I just clicked the Showcase tab, and now that I'm here, I can add whatever I want, pressing this little pink thing over down in the bottom right-hand corner. So say you have created a video, maybe you have a picture, maybe you have an illustration, maybe you have a document. Press this little pink guy, and you can add it in by typing and selecting the type of file. So say I have something on my computer, I would just pick the thing that I have, it uploads, then give it a title, maybe Drawing with Technology. Then, to be sure that you get credit and that you can use these posts and this showcase as a resume builder, just write your name. So by Jane Tedora. Voila. Then the administrator will approve it and your content will be here. So you can use this little plus sign like I just showed you. You can also drag and drop any type of file directly to this space and it will automatically come here. So not only can you share everything you're doing, all your amazing creations with your peers, teachers, but also future STEM employers, you can also use this on your resume. So simply click the link, copy and paste it onto your resume. Then maybe you'll want to list all the things that you've uploaded to this area. So on your resume, be sure to put the link and then the titles of all the things that you've uploaded and share it with your future employers. Whether you're applying for your first job or your professional career in STEM as you get a little bit older, this will always be here. And you should use it as much as you can to curate and store all your amazing STEM creations. Enjoy!